my version of Vietnamese beef noodle salad, bún bò xào. My wife's favorite. Hopefully it'll be Jack's favorite one day. Quarter of a pan of water on the boil for the rice stick noodles. So the packs comes into 3 slices like that. For 2 people, one of these will be enough. To that we add a little bit of oil so that the rice noodles won't stick together. Low heat and just let that bubble away. Right, for the onion, cut them in slices like so. Spring onion. I've got about 2, 4, 6, 10 stems here. Just give that a little smack. I'm using 6, cut them into 2-inch, and then the rest for us to make the scallion oil to go on top of the rice noodles after, like so. Now we're gonna make the salad. I've already done a quarter of the iceberg ready. Shred them thinly, like so. Put in a handful of coriander. Mix them up well like so. Oh, and a bit of cucumber, I think. Now I've got the end piece of cucumber that I have left over. I'm going to use this. This is go really well in the salad as well. Slices like so. Yes. So, and just put them in the salad, mix it all up, and that's enough for 2 people. I'm just cooking for my wife and I. Jack doesn't like this, so give that a wash. We'll get to this consistency here. You can see that it's nice and loose. Drain it out, and then make sure you run a lot of cold water over it, like so. Just to wash away all the starch. Okay, that will do it. When you finish, make sure you spread it out. And this is not ready until it's completely dry. Let's say a good 15-20 minutes. And I will come back and show you the consistency of it, of what it should be like when it's dry. Okay? This is for me and Mummy, so it should be, we'll come back and have a look at that when it's done. Now we're gonna make the fish sauce. Just crush 4 cloves of garlic. Just cut the skin off. That's it. How do you know Daddy was chucking the skin off? Okay. Yeah, and tap it hard down and then pull, and that should mince the garlic for you. Like so. Yeah, I'm incorporating the chilies into that. Once that's done. Red and orange make green? Yeah? Okay. Again, I'm just making for 2 people. Scoop that into there. Okay, into there we're gonna put 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of sugar in there. Also in a different pan, put it on just sort of medium heat and caramelize this. So that's a total of 2 tablespoons of sugar in there altogether. Okay, so when you leave it on medium heat like that, you can see you start caramelizing. Just there you go. Spin it around. Don't let it get burned. Keep it above the fire. Once I get to the color, you see when it turns like that, it's got to the color that I wanted. I'm gonna leave that and let that cool down, and that should get to the right consistency of color that we want now. Now this part here, be very careful. Just add a cup of water in. And leave that on low heat, simmer. It's gonna deglaze the pan. You can see those dark patches there, that's where the sugar is. That's all gonna get dissolved. Yeah. Now with this, hot water straight in here and just stir. Okay. We're going to need to add a bit more water into there. I would say all in all, we've got about 8 to 9 ounces of water there, liquid in there. For about 10 ounces, I'll do 6 tablespoons of fish sauce. I normally go in with about half a lemon, but don't squeeze the whole half in. Just sort of, you know, go halfway in. Give it a little taste. Lovely. Need a little bit more. Yeah, so in this case, 10 ounces of noodle. You probably want half a lemon. So that's it, perfect. Look at that, lovely color. Okay, now we're gonna make the scallion oil to go over the rice noodles. When it's ready, I have about 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil in there. Medium heat. We don't want this to be smoking hot, just enough to sizzle the spring onion will be fine. Okay, once you put that in, turn the heat like down low. This is rendered down pig's fat, and it gives such a lovely aroma to this. And that's it, that's done. Roasted peanuts. If you can, buy the unsalted one and fry it over the pan for 5 or 10 minutes on medium heat. That will add more aroma to it. If not, just use normal salted peanuts, will be fine. And just lightly crust it with this. There you go. And we're ready to assemble when my wife's come back, and we cook the stir fry the beef fresh and then assemble the whole dish. So that your rice noodles is, you see that bouncy there, that's what we want. About 15 minutes in. Let's come in, turn it over to make sure that it's dry enough. Okay, so all the ingredients we made earlier is all here. Now we're gonna assemble the dish and then fry the beef and put it straight on top. So after about 20 minutes, your rice noodles should be nice and fluffy and try like this. First of all, go in with a little bit of salad. And a little bit of noodles like so. Sprinkle a little bit scallion sauce on top. Don't forget the Topside, the pig crackling I call it. Right, a little bit of that. Now that's done, we're going to turn our attention to, we're going to cook the beef fresh, straight over it, and then the rest of the garnish goes on top. A tablespoon of vegetable oil. First, we're going to go in with a little onion, spring onion. I mean, this dish I only cook one plate at a time, but if you're cooking for two, three people in one go, feel free to do it more than that. But this beef has already been marinated. Is it? Wow. This has already been marinated. I will link in the video in the description for you to have a look. You don't need to add anything to this at all. What we're getting here is a lot of wok flavor. And we want the brownness of the onion. Keep the heat high, keep stirring. That's it. This is what we're looking for. Right here. Keep stirring. This process here is to get the wok here, the smoky flavor from the wok, so we don't want to add anything or slow it down at all. Keep frying. Right, now that is done, and that goes straight on top of your bun. Wow, that looks lovely. Now to finish off the dish. Okay. And then stir your fish sauce nicely. 4 tablespoons. Make sure you mix it up well before you eat it. So all the sauce is in, the flavors is there. There you go. And that's what you're looking for. Bún bò xào Việt Nam. Wow. My favorite. Yeah, have a taste then. Tell me what you think. I just dropped the phone. Go for it, go for it. Oh, I got 2 thumbs up. Okay, thank you. Nice?
Bye.
Nice? Yeah. Okay, okay. Jack said say bye then. I just dropped the phone and make this mess.